So here I have the... Bonjour, je suis Alexandre Bony, je suis le Sales Manager de APEM pour la France. So my role as a Sales Manager for France is to increase the sales in 𝐼𝐸 and APEM brands all over France, and I'm managing a team of 4 sales engineers on the field and 5 inside sales. French sales team is quite experienced, so most of them have more than 10 years experience on the field, and they all come from a technical background, so they are able to handle a very technical problem or solution for customer, and thanks to their skills they are able to provide a good consulting to customer, not just listening to what they want, but just understand what they want in order to provide the best solution for them. Oh, I've always had a dream in my life. I'm also a cooker. I've passed some exam as a cooker, so my dream is to build a restaurant and hotel. So this is still in my mind, but this has not appeared yet, but it will. He's a person who listens. A good salesman doesn't talk, just listen, ask questions in order to understand the need of the customer, and especially the need behind the need. I would not say that APEM is a product, but it's more a solution. So today, APEM, what I like in APEM is its ability to develop the product for the customer. And this is where we can show our flexibility, our competency, and all our added value regarding like a customer request and customer need. Phone call. Oh, there are many. Yeah, I'm coming from automation business, and 𝐼𝐸 is more related to automation. Therefore, if I had to select, let's say 2 of them, one would be the screens, 𝐥𝐿2G, which is very robust and very price competitive. And the other one is a RFID reader, which reflects also our technology and very easy to install, very easy to set up. So this is a very good added value for the customer. My kindness. Or I would say R&D are more in their office. Therefore, from the sales, they need like some input from the sales in order to develop some new product, to be aware of what the market needs are. Therefore, they can think about a solution or a product to develop for the future. I'm more investor. It was what we call a wish bracelet. And when my daughter offered me this bracelet, she told me, okay, when this bracelet will fail, your hair will come back again. But at the end, it seemed that it didn't work.